Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the device is up to date and you are signed into the primary account because limits depend on system features. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Screen Time. On Android, use Digital Wellbeing. The labels differ, but the concept is the same. Make sure Screen Time is enabled and set a passcode now so changes stick. This initial step prevents inadvertent overrides and lets you create reliable app limits that apply consistently across days and users. You now add a limit. Tap Add Limit, pick either categories like social or specific apps, because categories simplify broad controls while app choices give precision. Next, set the daily time using digits, for example 1, 30, and choose different allowances per day if needed. Make sure to toggle block at end of limit when you want strict enforcement, and check Always Allowed to exempt essential apps. Doing these middle steps correctly balances restriction with access and prevents accidental lockouts. You finish by confirming the new limits and then test them. Open an app and use it until the limit triggers, so you see the behavior immediately. If this is for a child, set family sharing or parental controls so limits apply to their device too. Make sure your screen time passcode is saved and not shared. If limits don't apply, restart the device, verify the correct account is used, and confirm family sharing settings. That usually fixes the common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.